driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress.
Hey y'all, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to use some leftovers and make a shepherd's pie. I had a lot of leftovers from my ham dinner the other day, so I'm just going to make what sounds good and we'll see how it turns out. I've got 1 pound and 1 1/4 pounds of ground chuck in here. I've got 1 green bell pepper, and I've got about a half of an onion. I'm going to put some onion powder in here. I got out 2 onions, and both of them were real soft and mushy, and I didn't like that, so I didn't even worry about messing with anymore. I just cut off of those 2 what I could get that was okay, and so I've got this in here. I'm going to put some salt, some pepper. I'm going to put some seasoning, salt. Let's see, which one is this one? I want the one with the chili in it. Yeah, this is it. Morton Season Oil. This is the one that has a dash of flavor with seasoned oil. Seasoned salt is a delicious blend of salt, spices, and a hint of chili pepper. So I'm going to put some of that in here, and salt and pepper and onion powder. Granulated onion. So I will bring y'all back with this when this gets done, and I'll show you what else I'm going to do. I need to go on it now, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 400, and I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all. Alright, I'm back. So the ground chuck and the onions and the peppers have cooked, and now the next thing I'm going to put in here is pinto beans. I had a lot of pinto beans left, and I'm going to put those in here. And I had a lot of mashed potatoes left, so I'm going to cook. So I'm going to use pinto beans and corn and the mashed potatoes. And I'm going to put something on the top that, I don't know, it just sounds good to me. I'm going to try putting slices of tomato on the top. It just sounds good. And I have these tomatoes left. I had gotten 6 green tomatoes because I was going to fry green tomatoes, and I got them from the little produce stand down here, and I was so excited, and I put them up in my little vegetable bin, and within 3 days they had already turned red. And so I didn't even get to fix fried green tomatoes, and I wanted some so bad. And so now it's probably, I haven't been out, but it's probably not any more green tomatoes since it's October. Let's see, what is today? Yesterday was, okay, October 17th is today. Alright, so there's my pinto beans. Alright. And then the next thing I'm going to put on here is a can of whole kernel sweet corn that has been drained. I love corn in shepherd's pie or cottage pie, whichever this is. I've heard so many things this year that I don't even know what it is myself. I think that they say that you use lamb or something, and shepherd's pie, and in cottage pie you use ground beef or beef or whatever. So alright, now there's that. I've got my oven preheated to 400, by the way. Get some more down here. It's not very much down here. Alright. Now I'm going to put my mashed potatoes in here. I'm just going to have to put them in. These are cold, so they're not going to spread as good as hot mashed potatoes do.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just...
Alright, now, there's that. Now I'm going to put the cheese on it. I always put cheese on my shepherd's pie. A lot of y'all don't do that, but I do. And I don't even like cheese, but for some reason I do like it on. And I've got finely shredded, sharp cheddar cheese that I'm going to put on here.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted.
Okay. I love having leftovers so that I can make something different or use them. Like I've never made, put pinto beans in shepherd's pie. I've never put tomatoes on it, but I'm going to try today. This is the little knife. I know you can probably see that it's got the serrated edge on it. This is a knife that I got from Pampered Chef. It's a tomato knife, and I'm telling you, this is the best knife for this that I have ever seen. All right, so I'm just going to use 2 tomatoes. A lot of people don't like tomatoes, but I do. I love tomatoes.
How can I compare thee when no one ever could come close? Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do.
This is ready. I'm going to put salt and pepper on it. On the tomatoes. This is going in the oven, uncovered. And I'll probably leave it in there for about 30 minutes. Maybe longer than that. It'll just depend. I want the tomatoes to get softer, and I want the cheese to melt really well and start getting brown. If y'all see that bruise on my arm, that's where I got the IV the other night when my heart kicked out of rhythm and I had to go to the hospital and they had to get it back in rhythm. Okay, y'all. Oh, doesn't that look good? Those of you that like tomatoes. All right, so this is going in the oven and it's 15 to 5 now. I'll probably get it out about 5:15, maybe 5:30. I'll just have to wait and see what it does in 30 minutes. All right, so I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, here is the shepherd's pie, cottage pie, whatever you want to call it. I wanted y'all to see it before I cut into it to get some out. And so I'm going to put some on my plate. I'm going to let it cool off, and I'll bring y'all back, and we're going to see what it tastes like with all the different stuff on it. All right, bring it back. Okay, y'all. This is still hot, but I have got to eat some. It smells so good, and it looks so good. Y'all know my favorite is pinto beans, and I love pinto beans and like hamburgers, so this is going to be so good. I'm telling you, this is the best one I've made yet. I usually use like green beans or something like that, and these pinto beans are so good. I don't know why I never thought of putting pinto beans in them before, before. If my kids were here, they would absolutely love this. This is amazing, y'all. It is amazing. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also look below for links to different things that I use in my kitchen that you can buy for no... It does not cost anything extra. And some of them are from companies that I have used their items, and they've given y'all a discount. So I hope you like this video, and y'all have a good weekend. Bye.